I have these 3 mangoes. I just want to check each of them and see which one is infested by the mango weevil. Recently, I've noticed that one mango in particular has common incidents of the mango weevil. So let's dig through and see which of these 3 has the mango weevil. And when you go to buy mangoes, try the same and tell me what you found out. I will now start with this mango. Let's see. I have cleaned it and removed the flesh. Now I want to cut through to confirm whether it has a mango weevil. Let's see. It's very difficult, very tough. We are almost. Doesn't have the mango weevil. This one doesn't have a mango weevil. Everything is still intact. No mango weevil. No mango weevil. Very clean inside. By looking at this mango, this is the second mango. Do you see any signs of mango weevil? Any signs? Any signs? Okay, let's cut through. So I'll have to remove all the flesh from this seed, clean it, and then we check inside. I have cleaned it. Now let's cut through to see in case it has the mango weevil. This one isn't as tough as this one. This one was very hard. I think that's why the mango weevil did not choose this one, because it was very hard, and maybe it's normally difficult, that's why it could not choose it. But let's try this one to see in case it has a mango weevil, because it's slightly easier than the other one. It has opened easily, and this one seems to have a mango weevil because it's not as fresh as the other one. The mango weevil has not eaten as much. Let's see. There's nothing on this. There is nothing. Does it really have the mango weevil? Nothing. Nothing. But the mango weevil must have penetrated this. Maybe it had not matured enough to be visible. Because why? Why could the fruit, the seed, be like this? The mango itself looked very fresh, but the seed is not healthy. Comparing with this, could I have planted this one? In case of germination, this one would germinate, but this one doesn't look healthy at all. But I can't see the mango weevil. I'm not able to see the mango weevil. Or could it have moved out? There is nothing. There is nothing. Nothing. There is absolutely nothing. I can't believe that there is no mango weevil, yet the seed is not healthy. It looks as if it's been eaten up. No mango weevil. No signs of mango weevil. What about in this? Let me check again. No signs. Could it have died? What might have happened? Because why is this seed not healthy? Yet it has come from a very healthy fruit. So we've confirmed that it doesn't have a mango weevil. Yet it's not healthy. So that's our fruit number 2. Our fruit number 3. Look at it carefully. Any signs of mango weevil? It has some scars. But look at it, in case the mango weevil might have, look at this scar. In case the mango weevil might have penetrated through, it's a mystery as at now. So let's check. Look, this one must have a mango weevil, because what is this? These are signs of the presence of a mango weevil. I need to remove all the flesh. So I need to remove all the flesh, clean it, and then we check on the inside. I've now cleaned it. Now it is okay to check through, to check on the inside, to see in case it has the mango weevil. Normally the mango weevil leaves a hole at the edges of the seed. So before I start checking on the inside, just want to confirm if in case there is the hole, but I've not seen any hole. So let's cut through. It looks fleshy on the inside, so meaning it might not have the mango weevil. It was just rotten. And it's also very tough. It's very hard to cut through. At least I've managed to cut through. It's now opening. It's very hard at this place. managed to cut through. It's fleshy. It's very fleshy. No signs of mango weevil. No signs of mango weevil. No signs of mango weevil. Therefore, the first fruit was very fresh. It had no mango weevil. It had no signs of rotting in the flesh. The second mango looked very nice, very big, but the cotyledon on the inside, the seed was rotten, and at first I thought it had a mango weevil, but I confirmed there was no mango weevil. The third one had flesh rotting, but it had no signs of mango weevil. So I would like you to try the same experiment and tell me what you found out in the comments. Thanks and be blessed.